My people, DYNA EKWUEME welcome TOCHI ESTHER to her channel. Why DYNA EKWUEME always dey battle? All those people jackpa. She don already jackpa. Oh, DYNA, hey, this one they chook me my liver be the direction when you jackpa go. I don't really know because I know say you say that Saudi Arabia na just for the make time. Say at least many people when they go there, they look up to UK, America, Canada. I know like that, but it's like you see they, investigate it down. Okay, oh my beautiful people, do well to join this beautiful family. Not watch small, then you drop comment. So do well to watch them from the beginning to the end. DYNA EKWUEME invited TOCHI ESTHER to her channel about UK, how UK be, how UK life be, how people in the jackpot to UK, which advice, just to talk anything, everything about UK. Then me, I pick my own point inside. Then I need to still feel my own before I go TOCHI ESTHER channel. My beautiful sister TOCHI ESTHER, thank you for this eye open when you give us, because our beautiful sister DYNA EKWUEME, this period is when jackpot from Naija to where now they call that place, no be Saudi. He always he can't get interest about jackpot from Nigeria, jackpot people in the jackpot, people in the travel out different country. My beautiful people, I don't to take you now. May I drop my opinion? I will still leave their jackpot of 80. Waiting they talk some short video. I'll still leave a mail and still listen to it. My main purpose of carrying this video, DYNA EKWUEME asking TOCHI ESTHER say why people they complain and people they batch then say why una they complain if you not go una come back home. My people, they say no be waiting they call papa, now they call mama. Waiting this our beautiful sister re talk. Allow those who want complain, may they complain. Some people no be how we think say Europe be, abroad be. Now we always they see her. But if people like us can't look back, look where we for they come and look where we did now, we'll better say now the suffer. If our country will be like this and so we take the suffer, nobody go leave our country. Niger say you want jackpot come another person country go they suffer. We they always people like us, people like me, and they always they look way. Then my main purpose of doing this video, people in the jackpot now, when they go UK, say Vicky Corner, she talk about it. If you are doing well, don't go and leave your job or resign. You understand? Resign from your job, or maybe you sell your property, they do well for business. You just say you want jackpot, go UK. It's not advisable. For me, I always still talk about this my channel. This will not be the first channel video. Not go sell your property because you want jackpot. Abroad, not really water. Though is good, security day, healthcare day. But when you go live, look the struggle, the cold, the pain, things there when many of us when they this Europe, we close mouth, we know they talk. Many day when they happen. But because of say, we go look as I first talk. And where we did now, we'll say, God, I appreciate you now. I appreciate God. About if you are doing well in your country, I beg, no jackpot, nothing like home, no place like home. And if you want to jackpot, maybe you be the type when go school, look for job online, or maybe you be type when do anything, look for job before you dey jackpot, because jackpot without get dream, or maybe they come about how the other way it good. But if you be person when be career, when get business, no, the jackpot go see no ask for all those kind thing. I know one can reach ground. Congo they suffer, they squat with people. I beg, double look. And many of my country people, because those things sometimes they break my heart. I don't dey Europe for long now. I can say I don't dey Europe, not be 10 years. I don't dey Europe for long. People when they jackpot, mostly this UK of 18 when they jackpot, collect money, sell their property, resign from their job. Either they call the million when they take the jackpot enter UK, my head they bust. It be like say my head they hot. It be like say one. I say what? What? Because Because why the thing they pay me? Those people, they go say Nigeria with a trick. Nobody now they call her Nigeria with a trick. Now those people that they get trick parts for hand, that they are biro and paper. Hey, forget them. Now not say UK just break out from Europe. They need the economic to the bomb. That is why they open border. I mean, I not come for me. I beg. My China is covered with the blood of Jesus. That is why they open this opportunity for Africa, because they know say we the Africa, we love to travel out of Nigeria. We love to travel out of Africa. Imagine those visa fee when they pay, ticket, those things when they pay. It they enter UK, not they enter Nigeria. They come out for Nigeria, they enter UK. They want boom their economy. My problem where I for they come now, where I want try go. Chook my mouth, please. If you meet and see this my video, if people or lawyers, people don't be lawyer for that UK, don't be everything things. Please be on break this thing to the book. Then the open border now say make Africa people when they are doing well, because you cannot tell me now say people when not they do well now they come their country. No, now people when they get out for money, when they get good job, me I just they talk my own. No, when they get good job now those people they come now, not be asylum seeker they come. People when they matters now they leave my country now, collect money. Carry our country money, go UK. Okay, where I go get problem with UK, because they always love to deport papa, mama, family back to Nigeria. That they do one. May not ask me again. Now they I'll forget problem with them. I beg. As now open na border, people they jackpa, people now they give them job. And visa and paper no be document to me una know. They can wake up today now, they say they are done, they close their border. Una wanna enter inside. Hey, this my video don't too dey long. Una wanna enter inside. Now una dey pitiful. Make them not go stop to dey renew na visa. Person will not get visa, go get job. Person will they not renew visa for. Like person like this, my sister now, Tochi with Esther. She don't already get job, not even job. At least she don't buy house. Once you buy house for abroad, you don't secure. Yes, if you get good job, you they work, your husband they work. Normal, no one look for house. It good. That advice is 100%. So that when that time when you go to say they're wise, una don't still want, una don't buy property, that they don't fit the carry una live una property. Because of those property, they go use and give una. And I know that cocoa, they go use and give una cocoa. Because those people, when they open their border wide, then they build their economy. Then they want me our own for. No be say our country good though. If our country good, security day, good road day. What they call health hospital, good standard hospital full. I not believe say many of my people go to jackpot, because no place like home. But I just want may I put this thing for my people mind, small at least before you dey jackpot. No say get plan B for your country. In case they want, person like me want just for jackpot with no be anything. It carry me jackpot now red eye pepper. No be person like una wanna get good job, wanna dey okay, wanna get business at the end. One UK person you come to use una they do go this office. Hey, please renew my document. Go there. It dey shuko. In fact, be like say they tie rope for person neck. Many things they want I talk about for this video, but this my video don't too long. May I leave you now? I go meet you now again for my next video. If you like this Naija daughter, wait till you they wait for now. Join this beautiful family. DYNA EKWUEME. My sister Tochi Esther. If you should not get her, go and follow her about UK. You go the receive and woto. Yes. You go the receive and tie. May I leave you now? Don't too talk, At least may I my papa. This girl can talk.
Nobody's arguing with you. You can come out and say your own challenges. Nobody will kill you. Why not allow those abroad to say what they're facing? They're the ones wearing the shoes and they know how it's hurting them, right? Everybody's just trying to live their reality and trying to figure out a way to survive. So for the UK, number one, childcare. Childcare. I carry a different grace. Everybody's path is different. I'm coming to conquer. I'm coming to take over. If you don't reach, you come back. What advice do you have for coconut heads now? Say, you know what, I'm still coming. When you want to travel, if you want to relocate, please do so by all means. But just prepare yourself very well. Plan, get a skill. get a skill, no matter how little. Okay, just try. It will help you to save you cost. All these little things, you will save money. I've shared so many videos on this that you need. Take all the courses you need, build your experience, so that when you come here, you just pick up your career and move. But if you're not a career person, get a skill. If you're into business, start reading up about businesses you want to do, how to get do the registration certifications. If you're not a career person in Nigeria. See, we were in Nigeria when we knew that we could buy a house, and we came in and it didn't take us up to more than 1 year. We bought a house. Or me, I didn't stay for more than 1 year. We're already buying a house in the UK. And this information, we got it from Nigeria. Like I mentioned, I started watching DYNA EKWUEME from when she was in the UK. And then when people were never doing so much about moving to the UK, there were not much information on YouTube about it. We're only seeing Indians. We had more of Indians who were sharing this.
If you don't want to answer this, then it's fine. But what's the long-term goal? Do you ever see yourself moving back to Nigeria, or do you plan to retire in the UK with your husband? And yeah.
I want to be able to go back to Nigeria and feel safe. So maybe when I feel like Nigeria is safe enough, then I can start thinking about it. But for now, I'm not really thinking about it. Sorry.
Really? Nothing like you go Nigeria.
Why not? My family.
We don't cast, last, now everybody go to breakfast.